Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Cara if you're new. So in today's video, I am going to show you like my tips and tricks to look younger. I am well into my 30s, but I often get that I look younger than that, so we're gonna take that for what it is, and I'm going to show you guys today some of the tips and tricks that I have to make you look younger. So today's look is just a fresh face. It's not like a full glam or anything. It's also not this. I'm refilming the intro because I was going to call it something else and then I changed my mind. I am going to just quickly throw up on the screen a before and after so you can see. I realize that like I'm filming the intro with some makeup on, so I just want everyone to see exactly what I look like without makeup and then with these tips and tricks applied, so you can see that it actually is like a huge difference. Just want you to fully grasp that these brows are even drawn on right now. They're not as well, but yeah, and even though it's kind of a no makeup look right now, I still have a lot on, so I want to just, you know, throw up a picture or throw up a little clip from the beginning of the video before I started applying any makeup, just so you can really see that what I'm about to teach you in this video makes such a huge difference. Basically, this video, it's gonna just show you like what's most important to looking young. Believe it or not, a lot of people probably don't think that this would be like the number one thing, but it's brows. You want to have a nice full brow, and I start with like literally no brow hair, so this is like halfway a brow tutorial, just like really showing how to make hair-like strokes and to give that big bushy brow, because when you get older, your brows get thinner, and that's kind of like a dead giveaway of age. And I have no brow hair. I don't think I ever did though. My hair is just blonde, so it doesn't show up much, and I just don't grow a lot of hair, so I have to clip it in. And so basically drawing brows and making them look realistic is like number one. You want to have a nice full brow arch, because I don't know if it had anything to do with just like that over tweezed 90s look. Like I was too young for that, but that might be like why thin brows are associated with looking older. A lot of people did over tweeze their brows, and then they had a hard time growing it back. So that could be something. And then just the full brow trend is everything right now. You want to have like a really nice arch. It has to be like a soft arch, but a really nice one. And so I'll go into detail in today's video on exactly how to do that. The other thing for me is nice full lips, because as you get older, you lose volume in your face. So you lose volume under your eyes, why you get like hollows there. You lose volume and symmetry in different parts of your face. It's the worst thing ever, and your lips being one of them. So younger people sometimes will have like nice pouty lips, and yeah, I like to do a couple tricks with a couple different lip products to make my lips always look as like big and pouty as I can get them. And I'm going to show you the products that I use for that. I pretty much have like a go-to lip that I do almost every day. I think I'm wearing a very similar lip right now that I'm going to show you in this video. Yeah, so I think you guys will really enjoy it. So hopefully if you're able to apply some of my tips and tricks, you'll really like the result. And comment below if you want to see a contouring video. I'm not saying that I'm like contoured at all right now, and in the video, like I said, it kept it really like light and fresh, but there's a different way. Like if you are going to do a full glam and contour, there's a different way that you should contour over 30 versus like the Instagram way of contouring with all of the, you know, lines and stuff on your face. That changes as well. So I was thinking about also doing like a full glam look. So if you are interested in seeing a contour video of how I contour after the age of 30, then comment below. But yeah, you want to just keep your face light and fresh and bright and youthful. And I do softer colors on my eyes. I don't have any eyeshadow on right now, but in the video you'll see I use like earthy tones, just like pretty light colors. So let's jump right into the video. For eyebrows, I'm going to be going in with my Kybrow pomade and an angled brush. I always just draw out the bottom of the arch first. It's very important that we get these brows looking as even as possible and with a little bit of an arch. Not a lot, but you don't want it completely straight either, because then it just really shrinks your eye area and gives you like a saggy look. After we have the bottom traced out, I'm going to be making little hair-like strokes. And then once again, tracing where I want the top of my arch to be. You can hold a brush right here to see where it's supposed to end and see where it's supposed to start. And this is the general shape that you want. That's pretty perfect. Again, that's what it looked like before. So no matter what you start with, I don't start with a lot of hair, and my hair is blonde, so it doesn't show up very much. No matter what you start with, this is the exact shape that you should end with. And just to make sure it looks natural, obviously it's not natural. You saw what it looked like a second ago. You saw how few hairs I actually have. You just want to take a spoolie and comb through it. Another thing that I'll sometimes do is go in with a brow gel and take the few hairs that I have. I need to use a mirror, not the viewfinder. And just push the natural hairs upwards. You can see how it'll just make the whole thing look like it's real hair, even though it's not. So you can see exactly what the brow gel did, just making all of the natural hairs more prominent so that it really just looks like a bushy natural brow. I'm going in with Laura Mercier lip liner in Rosewood. So this is a perfect go-to color. When doing my lip liner, I don't just automatically go all out and overline. I'll line them properly first, and then I'll see where I can push the limits. Usually on my Cupid's bow, I'll try and push the limits and take it up a little bit to accentuate that. And then the bottom lip in the middle, I'll take that down a little lower because you won't see it because the lip like kind of hangs over. But I don't overline on the sides of my mouth. For lipstick, I'm going to be using Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Look how much better my lips look now. They look nice and healthy and juicy as opposed to a couple seconds ago when they were pale. I am going to put a little bit of lip gloss on. This is Buxom. It's a lip plumper. And just kind of work it in so it looks really natural, and all three of those colors just blend together so flawlessly. You apply your lashes, you want to look down. If you're applying it on a client, you want to have your client look down. Just apply a little pressure. So there you have it. Those are my tips and tricks to looking younger. Even if you only have a couple minutes to do your makeup, it's totally fine. Just do your brows, your lips, a little bit of coverage on your skin, and you're good to go. So comment below and let me know if my brow method or my lip method helps you out at all. Also, don't forget to comment below if you are interested in seeing like a skin routine of how I would contour differently at my current age than how I did couple years back. Also, if you haven't checked out already, I just recently posted like a beauty room makeover. So if you want to see like up close everything around me, you can click on that. I'll have that pop up right about here. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and yeah, drop a comment below. Let me know if these tips and tricks worked for you, and also if you have any other suggestions for videos that you might like to see. Bye.